Do you long for an outdoor kitchen you can call your own? How about an outside fire pit where you can gather around with your family and make memories? We know where to turn to help make your great outdoors great again. Watch this.
In the past, most people think of outdoor spaces as nothing but a grill and maybe a side burner. And now you want a full outdoor kitchen with a grill and a refrigerator, sinks, kegerators, griddles, and we can do that here at Construction Solutions and Supply. We design it, build it, and do it from start to finish to your satisfaction. Outdoor living has really taken off in the last 10 years. It's become a very important room for people to go outside and to cook and have all the amenities of your indoor kitchen. We take your vision and we have our expert designers put it on a 3D rendering for you. We design it to fit your landscape and your budget. And when we get done, we build it into the kitchen of your dreams.
What should you look for when building a custom outdoor kitchen?
The first thing I like to tell people to look for is the structure itself. A lot of people build it out of wood or steel studs, and it just doesn't last very long. We use an all aluminum frame. We weld it in-house, and we put a cement board over the top, and then we finish it to your likes. It could be a stone finish or a stucco or a hardy lap siding. But the main thing is that structure. It's going to give you years and years of trouble-free use. The most popular feature of an outdoor kitchen is the grill. That's your cornerstone of the outdoor kitchen. And we have tons of built-in grills that you can choose from in many budgets. And then from there, people want to have a refrigerator usually, and usually a trash pull-out drawer and lots of storage for outside. And lately we've been seeing a lot more people want griddles and other things that are becoming more popular. Actually duplicating your kitchen from inside to outside. And we find that once you put one of these in, you're cooking 3 or 4 times outside a week instead of once a month. It's a great place to entertain, great place for families. Everybody can sit around the outdoor kitchen, and you could do it with a bar top and have bar top seating, and you could put a television on some of them and enjoy a football game, and it's a really nice place to gather.
Construction Solutions and Supply can also build a fire pit or fireplace to go with your outdoor kitchen.
The second most desired feature I think that homeowners call us for is outdoor fire pits and fire tables. And we can build those, a custom fire table or a fire pit to, whatever you like. A fire table or a fire pit is actually freestanding on the ground by itself, usually a standalone and has seating around it. And a fireplace more has seats in the front of it normally. And so we do outdoor fireplaces here as well. We have a showroom that shows all of our indoor fireplaces. We have over 25 burning displays, and they're very popular even though we live in North Florida and it's warm here. Most of our fireplaces now can put no heat out into the house, so we can blow it all outside, and you can still get the enjoyment of a warm fireplace, the look of it. Or sometimes we put them outside in your landscaping and do a freestanding fireplace, and you can sit in front of that too and get some heat and enjoyment out of it. So,
pergolas can also increase the desirability of your yard and your home.
A pergola is something it's built. It's normally freestanding, but we can attach it to your house, and it provides an area for breeze to blow through, but it provides some comfort from the sun. It provides a little bit of shade, and we designed those to fit your landscape. We like to use the rough sawn cedar and leave it either natural finish and let it patina over the years, or we could stain it. I think the most people want a pergola to get the shade. And they don't look like they provide shade because they're open, but they do provide some sun protection, and they do allow the breeze to go through so you can enjoy the outdoors more. First thing I would do is probably go to our website and take a look at the gallery and look at a lot of ideas that you would like, and then give us a call. We come out, we do estimates. We'll come out and do a design at your house and help you design an outdoor space that you want. People like outdoor living spaces so much because it's a great spot for friends and family to gather and cook and enjoy a great meal.
To find out more about how Construction Solutions and Supply can help you, visit cssoutdoor.com and designingspaces.tv.